Let us go to visual diagnosis of head hair. The topic is dry and brittle hair and greasy hair. Dryness. If the body is in balance, the hair on the head has a healthy shine and is soft. This indicates that it is well nourished by blood and yin. Dry hair will therefore be seen when there is a condition of yin deficiency or blood deficiency. Excess heat conditions such as fire can also injure yin or blood, resulting in dry hair. Greasy hair is usually an indication of damp heat or phlegm dampness. It is, of course, important to take into account the use of various hair products that can give the hair an oily or greasy appearance, as well as hair treatments such as bleaching and perming that can desiccate the hair. In these situations, the dryness or greasiness is caused by factors that do not have a diagnostic significance. So for dry and brittle hair, the description refers to the hair that is dry, brittle, and excessively thin. The clinical significance to this is the most common cause of dry and brittle hair is the deficiency of liver blood and or kidney yin. As the liver and kidneys are the main organs that nourish the hair, this makes the hair dry, thin, and brittle. A general deficiency of qi and blood, usually involving liver blood, may also cause the hair to become dry and brittle for the same reasons indicated above. A deficiency of stomach and spleen may cause the hair to become excessively thin and brittle when it is not nourished by the food essences produced by the stomach. This condition is often caused by worry, pensiveness, or excessive studying that weakens the spleen. A chronic loss of blood, such as might happen in chronic menorrhagia, may also cause the hair to become dry and thin because there's not enough blood to nourish it. So here we can see that dry and brittle hair may be causes of liver blood and or kidney essence deficiency. Could also be general qi and blood deficiency, stomach and spleen deficiency, and chronic loss of blood. For liver blood deficiency, there will be dry hair without luster, dizziness, blurred vision, floaters, numbness or tingling of limbs, scant menstruation, dull, pale complexion, pale tongue with a choppy or fine pulse. The acupuncture points to be used for this is liver 8, stomach 36, spleen 6, and Ren 4. For kidney indeficiency, one may experience dry hair without luster, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, poor memory, night sweating, vertigo, dry mouth and throat at night, lower backache, ache in the bones, nocturnal emissions, constipation, dark scanty urine, infertility, premature ejaculation, tiredness, lassitude, depression, slight anxiety, normal colored tongue without coating, and a floating empty pulse. The acupuncture points to be used are kidney 3, Ren 4, bladder 23, spleen 6, and Ren 12. For deficiency of qi and blood, there could be thin and brittle hair with poor appetite, loose stools, weak voice, tiredness, blurred vision, dizziness, numbness or tingling of limbs, palpitations, dull, pale complexion with a pale tongue and a pulse that is weak or choppy. For stomach and spleen qi deficiency, there will be thinning and brittle hair, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stools, uncomfortable feeling in the epigastrium, lack of taste sensation with a pale tongue and empty pulse. For loss of blood, there's dry and lifeless hair without luster and dry skin, pale complexion, menorrhagia, pale and dry tongue, and hollow pulse. In women, we always observe that the hair early on during the consultation to check the state of liver blood. For greasy hair, it's always a sign of dampness with or without heat or phlegm. Dampness, greasy hair, a feeling of heaviness of the head and body, epigastric fullness, a sticky taste, a feeling of oppression of the chest, excessive vaginal discharge, sticky tongue coating with a slippery or soggy pulse. The acupuncture points to be used are Ren 12, Ren 9, spleen 9, Ren 5, and bladder 22. For damp heat, there could be greasy hair, epigastric fullness, a sticky taste, thirst with no desire to drink, a feeling of heaviness of the head and body, a feeling of heat, sticky yellow tongue coating with a slippery, rapid pulse. The acupuncture points to be used are REN 12, REN 9, REN 5, bladder 22, spleen 9, and LI 11. For phlegm, there will be greasy hair and a feeling of oppression of the chest, sputum in the throat with a swollen tongue with sticky coating with a slippery pulse. The acupuncture points to be used are stomach 40, REN 12, REN 9, REN 5, and bladder 22. Thank you so much for your attention.